Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. So see again I am here to teach you SST Standard 2 Part 2. So today I am teaching you the chapter Our Foods. So just take a short look at what the previous chapter I had taught you. Now suppose when you go school to home, on that time how do you feel? Then maybe you feel tired and hungry. So what do you do on that time? You just change your clothes and then you wash your hand and then just eat your food. Now what, we all need food to live. We all need food to live because food is very important. Now it gives us energy. Food gives us energy to work and to play, and it helps us to grow strong and healthy also. So that's why we should prefer always a good healthy food, so that it helps us to work and it helps us to grow strong and healthy. Every day we eat different types of food. Means every day we should eat the different types of foods like fruits and vegetables, then eggs and milk, then cereals and then grains, butter and cheese, fish and meat and nuts and oils. So these all is what, it's a different types of foods. Now do you know that from where the food comes? I think you have learned this standard 1. Now this food comes from plants as well as animals. Whatever we are eating, this all it comes from plants as well as animals. Plants and animals. Now plant gives us what? Plants gives us fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts and oils. And plants gives us what? The fruits, different types of fruits, bananas, guavas, orange, pineapple, vegetables, then radish, onion, potato, tomato, grains are there, nuts are there, cashew nut, then there is too much nuts are there, then oils, mustard oil and these all. So these all we get from the plant. Now we get milk and milk product like cheese, curd, ghee, sweets, then butter, and eggs and meat product. So these all we get from the animals. So from plants we get the fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and from the animals we can get the milk product, meat, fish, and then egg, curd, and these all meat product. So these all we get from the animals. So once the school will open, I will ask that from where we can get the food, and plants gives us which type of foods, and from what type of food we get from plant. Next page is page number 32. In fact, most of the food we need to cook before eating. Different types of vegetables, in fact the rice are there, chapatis are there. So before cooking we can't eat. So before eating we need to cook also. And we cook in different types of ways and different types of style also. So what, some food are also there that can be eaten raw means without cooking. So some food is also there that we can eat without cooked, like the fruit salad, then juice are there, then salad. So these we can eat raw without being cooked. In fact, we can use this type of method also to cook some foods like baking, boiling, then frying, roasting and steaming. So these all is the one kind of method to cook the food. Next topic is importance of food. Now what is the importance of food? Why the food is very important? Next is, food makes us strong and healthy. Food is what? Why food is important? Because food makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy person. We should eat good, clean and fresh food. So for become a strong and healthy person, we should always eat good food, clean food and fresh food. Beside food, we also should drink enough water. Means beside the food, whatever we are eating the food, that's okay. But for that, after that, we should also prefer to drink enough water. Now we should have at least 2 glass of milk every day. In fact, we should eat the 2 glass of milk every day in the morning and at night. So milk is also very important. Milk is good for our bones and teeth. Milk is what it gives us. It makes our bones and teeth very strong and very healthy and good. So milk is also very important to drink in one day. Now, milk products such as ghee, oil, butter, cheese gives us the energy to work and play. So milk product is what the product which made from the milk. So milk products like the ghee, oil, butter, cheese, these all is what it's a milk products, and it gives us energy to work and to play. Fruits and vegetables help us fight disease and protect us from falling ill. So fruits and vegetable is what it helps us to fight with disease, like when we are falling sick, and in fact it helps us to protect from falling ill also. Fruits and vegetables, it helps us to fight from disease. Fish, egg, meats and nuts build our muscles and make us strong. So fish, eggs, meat and nuts, these all is also food, and we just take these foods for that because it makes our muscles strong and make us strong also. Next is, sometimes we eat food more for taste than for health. Sometimes we just forget about health and we just think about our taste, that what's our favorite taste. So on that time we such food is called junk food. So that foods are called junk food. Junk food is what sometimes what we just eat food more than the taste than for health. Means on that time healthy food is not important than our taste. So that food are called junk food. It is easy and quick to prepare, but it is not good for health. Means in easiest way it will just quickly to prepare the good food, but it is very unhealthy for our body. Eating too much junk food can make us sick. If we can eat too much junk food, then we can become sick also, because that food is not very healthy for our body. Now there are some pictures of junk foods are there. Junk foods are pictures are there. You can see like chips, noodles, burgers, pizza, soft drink. So these all is junk foods, and these all is very unhealthy for our body. Next, 3 meals in a day. Most people have 3 meals in a day, means 3 times we should prefer to eat in a day. Breakfast. This is usually the first meal of the day, means once our day will start. So breakfast is what it is usually the first meal of the day. We should eat a good breakfast in the morning. So we should eat a very good breakfast in the morning. Some of things that are eat for breakfast. So some of the food items are there that we should eat for breakfast, like the eggs, cereals, toast, butter, jam, idli, upma, puri and chapati. So these all is what it's a breakfast foods that we should eat for a breakfast. Next is question is, write any 5 things that you like to eat for breakfast. So here is one line is there and one question. It's for homework. That here you have to write the 5 things that you should like to eat for breakfast. Means first meal. Breakfast is the first meal in a day. Next, lunch. Lunch is the second meal. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Means afternoon means the 12 at the noon time. So we should use to eat the lunch. Some of the things we like to eat for lunch are, so these are the lunch that we like to eat on lunch time, like rice, dal, chapati, vegetables, meat, fish, curd, soup and salad. So these all are the foods that we prefer to eat for our lunch. Lunch is the second meal. Breakfast is the first meal, lunch is the second meal, and the last meal, third meal is dinner. Please keep inside your mind that breakfast is the first meal, lunch is the second meal, and third meal is dinner. Now especially dinner is what it is our last meal of the day, and we have it at night, and we always eat this dinner last meal at night. One should try to eat a light dinner. We should what? We should eat a very light dinner at night time, because we sleep after that. Because at that time we are not doing any work, so after that we just sleep that time. So at that time we should be what? We should eat a very light dinner. So here is one question, right? What you like to have for dinner? So question, these three all questions, that what you like to eat on breakfast, on lunch and on dinner. So these all homework in book you have to write down, not in copy. So here your chapter has completed. I hope that you guys have understood the chapter. The homework, new words, if you have the book, then please write down to come after completing the all chapter, yes, previous chapter till 6, and then you can till 5, and then after you can start writing chapter 7, 6 new words. Again I will back to teach you chapter 7, but in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.